SoulShine School's preschool encourages children to be producers and makers at an early age. Here, we're making our own Play-Doh. SoulShine School's preschool classrooms, ages 2 and up, have their own DIY Play-Doh kit, so they can make Play-Doh with their teachers whenever they want. Through these DIY Play-Doh kits, children are introduced to new tools and ingredients and recipes and measuring. The children take part in making their Play-Doh every step of the way. They learn independence. They learn how to make things themselves. And after repetition, they learn the recipe and they can make it at home with their mom and dad. By making our own Play-Doh, we're also introducing the children to wet ingredients versus dry ingredients and what happens when you mix them together. We learn that our hands are often the best tool we have. In using them, we develop our senses, our fine motor skills, and our writing muscles. By adding herbs, flowers, found objects in nature, we're interacting with the world around us and what's happening in our current season. Like these monkey grass flowers that are blooming only in the end of August. We can use them to enhance our play. What will you make today?